our goal is to enable technic-built cars to drive like their real-world counterparts. That's why we developed a drivetrain that is powerful, precise and reliable over the long term. The result is a drivetrain solution compatible with any technic-built car in the 1:10 to 1:8 scale. To demonstrate this compatibility, we motorized one of the most complex and heaviest technic-built models released to date, with a total weight of 4.7 kilograms, including the drivetrain. We added power. Motorizing brick-built cars is challenging because each model's internal structure is different, often leaving only little room for drivetrain components. To avoid rebuilding or redesigning the entire car, we developed an extremely compact drivetrain. To demonstrate the retrofit capability of our patented drivetrain, we first built the model according to the instructions and then upgraded using the AddPower drivetrain. Now we start to modify with the AddPower kit components. Simply remove the original wheel mounts from the brick-built suspension and replace it with the AddPower wheel mounts, which bring accuracy and durability into the wheel bearing. Removing a component from the wheelhouse can allow the full steering angle without any tire collision. Our custom rims ensure broad compatibility with the model's original tires. Center-mounted wheels enable quick wheel changes and easy access for modifications. The rear wheel mount is removed, while the original suspension remains untouched and suitable for track use, as well as paved roads. The AddPower brushless motor is mounted directly to the rear axle and delivers enough power for racing, drifting or cruising. In this video, we remove the original brick-built motor, so the cockpit remains clean, original and free of visible wiring. Alternatively, the electronics can also be placed inside the cabin for a quicker installation. Other models often offer more space, for example in the rear of the vehicle, which can be used to house the electronics. The motor cables from the AddPower hub motors are routed to the location where the power hub is later installed. The servo provides sufficient torque to move several kilograms and reliably handle the steering loads even in high-speed corners. AddPower hubs and add-ons are compact, giving you flexibility in where they are placed within the vehicle. Component placement shifts the center of gravity, allowing you to tune the car to your racing style. The AddPower drivetrain is compatible with standard RC controllers and matching receivers, allowing you to choose your preferred setup. Because the drivetrain is compatible with standard batteries, additional batteries can be used to extend driving time. Your car is now ready to race. From your desk to the track, ready to rumble. Make the world your race circuit. Parking lots, village roads, drive wherever you want to drive.